integrate water features. Now let's dive into one of the most soothing and underappreciated elements you can bring into your home water features. Imagine this. You're sitting in your living room, and in the background there's the gentle sound of a trickling fountain or a small indoor waterfall. It's not just pleasant to hear, it's incredibly calming. The sound of flowing water has been proven to reduce stress and anxiety, making it one of the easiest ways to turn your home into a peaceful retreat. Adding a water feature doesn't have to be complicated or massive. You can start small with something like a tabletop fountain, or even a beautiful bowl filled with water and floating candles. If you're feeling more adventurous, consider a larger water feature that could become the centerpiece of a room. Think about a statement piece like an indoor water wall or a koi pond, bringing the serene beauty of nature into the heart of your home. And the best part? The benefits go beyond just aesthetics. Water features can act as natural humidifiers, increasing the moisture in the air, which is great for skin health and air quality. They also create a peaceful ambiance that promotes relaxation and concentration. Whether it's the soft sound of water, the visual flow, or the cool mist it adds to the air, incorporating water into your space can make your home feel like a tranquil escape. It's an element that connects us to nature in one of the most calming, soothing ways possible.